So hello everyone, in this video we'll do the daily current affairs analysis of 18th December 2021. So the first topic which we will discuss is what is the Pegasus controversy. So it is from GS paper 3 and topic is cybersecurity related issues. So what exactly is the problem? The petitioner's argument in Supreme Court is that spyware has been used or is likely to be used in breach of citizens' right to privacy. Background: new revelations corroborate the continuous usage of the spyware Pegasus, which is sold to governments all around the world by an Israeli corporation. Pegasus, like the phones it targets, has reportedly been updated and now includes new spying features. What exactly is Pegasus? It's a spyware program created by the NSO Group, an Israeli company. Spyware listens in on people's conversations on mobile phones. Pegasus operates by delivering an exploit link to the target user, who then clicks on it, allowing the malware or code to be loaded on the user's phone. Once Pegasus is installed, the attacker has complete control over the phone of the target victim. What can Pegasus accomplish? Pegasus may return the target's personal information such as passwords, contact lists, calendar events, text messages, and live phone calls from popular mobile messaging apps. The camera and microphone on the target's phone can be turned on to record all activities in the area, broadening the scope of the surveillance. What is a zero-click attack and how does it work? A zero-click attack allows viruses such as Pegasus to take control of a device without the need for human intervention or error. So if the objective is the system itself, all understanding about how to avoid phishing attacks or which links not to click is useless. The majority of these assaults target software that receives data before determining whether or not it is trustworthy, such as an email client. So the source of this news is The Hindu of 18th December 2021, page number 1. So the next topic in news is about the Competition Commission of India. It is from GS paper 2 and topic is statutory and non-statutory bodies. So India's Competition Commission, it is a statutory entity of the Indian government charged with executing the Competition Act 2002 throughout the country and preventing anti-competitive acts. The commission's goals are as follows: to avoid practices that have a negative impact on competition, to encourage and maintain market competition, to safeguard the interests of customers, to ensure that trade is unrestricted. The Commission's responsibilities are as follows. It is the Commission's responsibility to eradicate anti-competitive activities, promote and sustain competition, safeguard consumers' interests, and ensure free trade in India's marketplaces. The Commission is also mandated to provide an opinion on competition concerns in response to a referral from a statutory entity formed under any law, as well as to engage in competition advocacy, raise public awareness, and provide competition training. So the source of this news is The Hindu of 18th December 2021, page number 1. Next is details of the CAQM. It is from GS paper 1 and topic is environmental conservation related issues. So about the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, is an organization dedicated to improving air quality. It was formed in October 2020 for the first time. It was formed in response or in replacement of the Environmental Pollution Prevention and Control Authority, or the EPCA. It is a statutory body. So the commission will take the place of bodies in the states like Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. So composition, it has a chairperson who is a chief secretary in the state or secretary in the government of India. He will serve for 3 years or until he or she reaches the age of 70. Experts will be there from CPCB, the ISRO, and civil society will also participate. So the functions and powers include it will have the authority to issue directives to these state governments on air pollution issues. It will hear as many complaints as it thinks necessary in order to safeguard and improve the air quality in the NCR and surrounding areas. So the other important elements of the bill include the act of stubble burning has been decriminalized and the section that might lead to jail time has been removed. It is proposed that anyone who is discovered to be participating in stubble burning, including farmers, will pay an environmental restitution cost. So the source of this news is The Hindu of 18th December 2021, page number 1. So the next topic in news is details of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. So the FCRA, it is a federal law that regulates foreign contributions. Foreign funding of volunteer groups in India is governed by the FCRA, which is enforced by the Ministry of Home Affairs. All NGOs are registered or granted prior approval under the FCRA. They must also now upload the details of foreign contributions received and used every 3 months on their website or the FCRA website according to the updated FCRA guidelines. So who is eligible to accept foreign contributions? After obtaining registration or previous approval from the central government, a person with a specific cultural, economic, educational, religious or social program can receive foreign contributions. Who is not eligible to accept foreign contributions? Candidate contesting election, any legislature's member, a political party or one of its office bearers, a judge, a government employee or an employee of a corporation or any other entity controlled or owned by the government. So the source of this news is The Hindu of 18th December 2021, page number 8. So the next topic in news is about the types of writs in India. It is from GS paper 2 and topic is Indian judiciary related issues. So under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, the Supreme Court has the authority to issue writs for the enforcement of any of the fundamental rights bestowed by Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. As a result, the ability to issue writs is principally intended to ensure that every citizen has access to the right to constitutional remedies. Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto are the 5 sorts of writs. Mandamus, a judicial writ, is a legal document that serves as a direction to a lower court or orders someone to undertake a public or statutory duty. A writ of prohibition is a writ that orders a subordinate to stop doing anything that the law forbids. Certiorari is a legal process that seeks judicial review of a lower court's or government agency's decision. Quo warranto is a prerogative writ that requires the person to whom it is directed to show what authority they had to exercise a right, power, or franchisee they claim to have. Habeas corpus means you may have the body in Latin. The writ is used to bring a person who has been held, whether in prison or in private custody, before a court and to have him released if the imprisonment is judged to be unlawful. So the source of this news is The Hindu of 18th December 2021, page number 8. So thanks a lot for watching the analysis video. Have a nice day.